In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add leads in Freshsales. This is a straightforward process, and once you know where to click, you will be able to add new leads quickly and keep your pipeline organized. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. When you open Freshsales, you will be taken to the sign-in page. Enter your account credentials and proceed to the dashboard. Take a moment to make sure you are fully logged in and that you can see the main navigation menu, because the next part depends on being in the correct workspace. Once you are logged in, the next step is to click the plus Add Lead or Deals button. On most Freshsales layouts, this button is located where you can easily start creating new records. Look for the plus icon and the wording that indicates adding a lead or deals. You may see it near the top of the screen or within the primary action area. Clicking this will open the lead creation form, which is where you will enter the details for the new person or company you want to track. After you click the Add Lead or Deals button, you should see a form appear. Now you need to enter the required lead details. Freshsales will typically show fields such as the lead name, contact information, and other essential information needed to create the record. Only focus on what the form asks for. If you see fields marked as required, make sure you fill those in completely. If there are optional fields, you can choose whether to include them, but the key goal is to provide the information the system needs to create the lead successfully. As you enter the details, take care to double-check spelling and formatting. This is especially important for names and any contact fields, since your team will rely on this information later. Also, make sure you are entering the correct details for the lead you are adding, not information from a previous entry. A quick read-through as you go can prevent mistakes and save time later when you review or update the lead. When you have finished entering the required information, you are ready to save. The next step is to click Save. You will usually find the Save button at the bottom of the form or in the lower area of the screen. Clicking Save tells Freshsales to store the record and finalize the new lead creation. After you click it, give the page a moment to process. You should then see confirmation in the form of a refreshed page, a success message. If the system returns you to the leads list, you can locate the new entry there. If it takes you to the lead profile, review the information you entered to ensure everything looks correct. This final check is quick, and it helps confirm that the lead was created exactly as you intended. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to add leads in Freshsales, from logging in all the way to saving your new lead.